Hello folks in YouTube land. This is the surprise I spoke about. That's going to be the next project. I will be installing a Hutch Mountain propane natural gas conversion kit on that. But that'll be in the future weeks to come. Today though, we're going to work on this. This is a new EU 2200i. It is the upgraded version from the EU 2000. Josh? Want to take a look? Okay, might be wondering what this is. This is an extended range gas cap. And yes, the EU 2000 extended range gas cap will work on the EU 2200i's. We will set that aside for now. It's just like Christmas for adults. This is a beautiful piece of machinery, isn't it? And the warning. This product can expose you to chemicals including soot, tars, and mineral oils, which are known to the state of California to cause cancer. Good thing we do not live in California. And this is the warning saying this product is shipped without oil in almost every language. Yes, including English. I'll turn it around, folks. Sorry about that. This side here. Now, few features that this generator has, but the E2000s didn't, is, see right here? That's a metal guard. And what it's for is if you've owned EU2000s and if anybody pulled off center instead of straight ahead, you would get marks in your plastic. This metal cover keeps it from doing so. And this has a really nice feature. It has a fuel off switch. That is so you can run your carburetor completely out of gas before midterm storage. That is so your does not gum up, which gives people many problems and headaches. Just a quick check. Honda is excellent at quality control, but we want to make sure everything is still there. So we've got the air filters. They look great. Of course, they're brand new. Now, to save you from the boring stuff, I already read the book and it takes 14 ounces of oil. Another nice feature is you have a very large filler neck. And I don't know about you, but I have spilled before pouring oil into the filler neck. And it also gives you a little cup right here to aid in draining. Okay, enough said about that. We will put some oil in. Okay, you can go ahead and